Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to learn problem number 933, number of the recent call. So you have a recent counter class which count the number of the recent requests with a certain time frame. Okay, so implement the recent counter class. So recent counter means initialize the counter with the zero recent request. Okay, the ping in it t are the new records at the time t, where t represents some time in millisecond and return the number of the record that has happened in the past 3000 millisecond, including the new request. So especially return the number of the records that happen in the inclusive range t minus 3000 comma t. It is a guaranteed that every call to ping uses a strict larger value of the t than the previous call. Like if you have example recent counter ping 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 ping, so output like this. Okay, so here we need to create function recent counter. We need to create one class recent counter. Okay, so this is the construction. Here I am going to create self.q equals to Deque. Okay, so that we can an element from that we remove the element from the start, and this is the ping self. Here parameter is self and t, and here you can see self.q.append t. Okay, so here I am going to append time, and while self dot self dot z, I think it's a self dot q, and self dot q is less than t minus 3000, and self dot q dot pop left, it remove from the left and return length self dot q. Okay guys, so this is our output. Sorry, this is our okay, so this is our output. Recent counter ping ping ping.